In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Microsoft Power Automate desktop extension to your Google Chrome browser. If you're looking to streamline your tasks and boost productivity through robotic process automation, this is a crucial tool you'll want to have at your disposal. We're going to walk through each step, ensuring that you feel confident and prepared to use this powerful extension. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. This is your starting point for accessing the expansive world of Chrome extensions, which can transform how you navigate digital tasks. With Chrome open, head over to the Chrome Web Store. The Web Store is where you can find a plethora of extensions and applications, each designed to enhance your browsing experience. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, take a look at the search bar available, generally at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type Microsoft Power Automate. Being precise with your search terms will help you quickly locate the exact extension you need. The search results will populate, displaying various options, but your focus should be on finding the extension titled Microsoft Power Automate by Microsoft Corporation. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the official version to avoid any potential security risks. After you've identified the correct extension, click on it to open its details page. On this page, you'll find more information about the extension, including user reviews and detailed functionalities. If everything looks good to you, locate the Add to Chrome button prominently displayed in a blue hue. Clicking this button signals your intention to incorporate the extension into your browser. At this point, a confirmation dialog will pop up. This is Chrome's way of making sure you're certain about the installation and aware of the permissions the extension will have. Read through this dialog carefully, and if you're comfortable with it, go ahead and click Add Extension. This step confirms the installation and safeguards your selection. You'll notice Chrome processing the request for a brief moment. Subsequently, you'll receive a notification confirming that Microsoft Power Automate has been successfully added to your browser. But to ensure everything went smoothly, let's verify that the extension is installed and enabled. Click on the puzzle piece icon, often found in the upper right corner of your browser, which represents your extensions list. Here, you should see Microsoft Power Automate listed. Ensure the toggle switch next to it is turned on, indicating that the extension is indeed enabled and ready for use. And that's it. You have successfully added the Microsoft Power Automate desktop extension to your Google Chrome browser. With this tool now at your fingertips, you're well on your way to leveraging the power of robotic process automation to enhance your workflow efficiency. Enjoy exploring its capabilities and, as always, happy automating.